I'm meteorologist Caroline Brown. We started off June very much not feeling like June. Every day it was cloudy. We had downpours. Highs were in the 80s, but that pattern is pretty much over. Now we are in a much more typical summertime pattern where we've got heat, humidity, maybe an isolated shower, but for the most part, a very summer-like pattern. Look in Galveston, where you can see on Tuesday just feeling spectacular. As we head over the next few days, you're going to see temperatures every day top out in the lower 90s. Factor in that humidity, and you can add about 10 degrees. That's what it will feel like, which means heat index values eclipsing 100 every single day. An afternoon downpour not out of the question. That's only to the tune of 20 to 30%. Otherwise, heat index values certainly staying elevated, and you're going to see them climb as we head into the upcoming weekend. Heat index value making it to 105. And not only will we see the heat index value climb, but our rain chances increasing as well. This is because we're tracking tropical moisture. That's going to increase the humidity, which is why it's going to feel hotter, but it's also going to allow rain chances to start to ramp up as we approach the end of next weekend into early next week. Now, Sunday is the first round that we have the FIFA World Cup here in Houston. Germany versus Curacao on Sunday. We will be dodging showers and seeing intense heat. Take a look at the tropical moisture. It's this moisture coming from the Yucatan, that bright neon color indicating high levels of tropical moisture. This starts to move into Houston Saturday and Sunday. It'll feel very humid, and if we get any rainfall, it can quickly drop several inches of rain. So our extended forecast is going to be a very summery look. You'll notice temperatures staying in the 90s every single day. Rain chances ramping up at the end of the weekend into next week. Folks, please stay hydrated and don't forget the sunscreen.